Hey, welcome to another video from Skinny Medic. This video is going to really be controversial because you either don't mind feet don't bother you, or you really hate feet. I fall into I really hate feet category, and that's what we're going to talk about in this video. I don't like feet. Feet are nasty. They smell. They're just nasty. People have toenails hanging off. They're gross. Anytime like someone was barefooted, like I would take the sheet and pull it over their feet when I was loading the stretcher, when I worked on the ambulance full time. I don't like feet. I don't want your feet. I don't rub Candace's feet. I don't like feet. But we're going to talk about feet. So if you don't like feet, just give me a thumbs up, comment down below, I don't like feet, and keep scrolling. But if you're interested in what I'm going to talk about, then obviously we'll keep watching here. So about a year ago, I jammed my toe on the mat of jiu-jitsu, was passing guard, skipped it across, and it turned blue, swelling, things were bad. So I just did a real quick short on how to splint it. And basically, you just tape it to the other toe. Same thing with your fingers. Like if you jam your finger, have a finger injury, you can tape it to the other digit, and it works great. I did it again. Last week, bam, jacked my toe up. So I just want to take a minute and brag about this athletic tape from Dynarex. Been using it for about a week now, and it's worked fantastic. So when I wrap my toe up before I go to jiu-jitsu, it stays on, it's not coming off. And then I've been leaving it wrapped again when I get out of the shower in the mornings going to work, and it stays attached. Even when I go to bed, I'm keeping it wrapped up, and this tape is not coming off. It works fantastic. So what I've been doing is, this is a 1-inch roll, and I don't need the full 1 inch. It is just pulling it, and then it tears here, and then I've been tearing it straight down the middle, and this has been perfect for wrapping my toe up that's injured. So if you're into sports, you have kids into sport, this is something you could add to your first aid kit, your vehicle kit, that's going to work great. This is going to be better than the actual medical tape, the cloth medical tape. That's more for bandaging and stuff like that. This is a little bit stronger, so it's not going to want to come off and move, especially when you get sweaty. I did no gi Thursday night, so no gi, you're sweating a lot more because the gi's not there to soak up the sweat. So this held on, even through the sweat of no gi. So if you have kids that are in sports, you're into sports, I recommend picking this roll up. You can go to medicalgearoutfitters.com. That supports our channel, so I would appreciate all the support over there you give us. Thank you guys for watching. You never know when you'll be the first responder. Remember the right gear and the right training.